guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. We're about to head over to Walgreens to take advantage of a ton of digital coupon deals. There are so many ways to save at Walgreens. This week, we're stocking up on laundry products, Dove body wash for less than $1 a product, which is incredible. So if you need Tide, Downy, like the Downy beads, anything like that, this is gonna be the week that you're gonna wanna go to Walgreens. I also have an amazing online deal for you. So if you don't have the time to go in-store to Walgreens and do the deals, no worries. You can save a ton of money online. I'm gonna show you how to grab $60 worth of products for $2 as your cash cost, which is amazing. Below in the description box is gonna be the printable breakdown as well as a bunch of different links for you guys. I have a free Walgreens cheat sheet down there. The printable breakdown is down there. Lots of information, so definitely check that out. And if you are new here, take a second, hit that red subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a part of the channel. And it's completely free to subscribe so you don't miss out on easy deals you can do every single week. And as you know, for 2024, we are all digital. So you don't need any newspapers, you don't have to print any coupons, nothing like that. Just grab your phone, download the Walgreens app, and let's go to Walgreens together and do these deals.
The first deal we're gonna grab are these Pampers Sensitive Wipes for $1.75 each. So they are on sale 2 for $7. You're gonna grab 2, clip the $2 off one digital coupon, that's a manufacturer digital. Then clip the $1.50 digital coupon, that's a Walgreens store coupon. So you can stack them and work together. Makes your final cost $3.50 for 2 or $1.75 a piece. There's also an insane deal on Pampers diapers this week. So in store, they are 2 for $21. Buy 2, get a $4 register reward. This works with the PG promotion in store as well. For spend 20, get a $5 register reward. So you're gonna grab 2, clip the 3 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $18, get back a $4 register reward and a $5 register reward. Makes your final cost $9 for 2 or $4.50 a pack. The next deal I'm doing is on laundry products. They are buy 4, get a $5 register reward. So I'm gonna grab 1 of the Tide Pods, that's $5.49, clip the $1.50 digital coupon. Next, I'm gonna grab 2 of the Tide liquids. I have one $1.50 off one that says it works only on the Tide with Oxy. So you wanna make sure that you grab that. I already put 2 of them in my cart right here. Then I have a separate $1.50 off one digital coupon. So that's why I'm gonna grab 2 Tides. The last product I'm gonna grab is this Downy Unstoppables, the $5.49 one. This is the 5 ounce and it has a $2 digital coupon. Now we're grabbing our easy freebie on oral care. So I'm gonna do it on Oral-B. They're buy 2, get a $3 register reward in store. Online, you'll get $3 in Walgreens cash, so you can do this deal online. So what I'm gonna do is grab 2 of these toothbrushes, clip the 3 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $3 out of pocket, get back a $3 register reward, makes them free. Yes, you can pay with $3 in Walgreens cash if you want, or roll your register rewards to lower your out-of-pocket cost. The next oral care deal is on Colgate. So I'm gonna grab the toothbrushes. You can do the toothpaste instead if you want. They're $4.50, buy 2, get a $4 register reward. And we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. So grabbing 2 brings you to $9. After that coupon comes off, you'll pay $5, get back a $4 register reward, makes it $1 for 2 or 50 cents a piece. And again, yes, you can pay with Walgreens cash or register rewards on this deal. If you want to grab toothpaste instead, you can. They have varieties for $4.50 or the larger varieties for $5.50. So this is just going to be, of course, a little bit more expensive. Totally up to you what you guys want to grab. You can do the Colgate Total, Sensitive, doesn't matter. Or if you need mouthwash, you could grab 2 of the mouthwash. Works with the same digital coupon. Remember, digital coupons are one-time use, so pick whichever scenario you want to do. Your final cost for these as well would be 50 cents per toothpaste, which is a steal. Then our favorite deals on Scott are back this week, so you can grab 1 Scott toilet paper, clip the $1.25 store digital coupon and the $1 manufacturer digital coupon. Those will stack and work together, leaving you to pay just $2.75. You can also snag one of these as well for the same price, $2.75. So the $1.25 digital works on these as well, and there is a separate $1 manufacturer digital coupon. So you can grab them both if you'd like. You'll pay $2.75 a piece, which is a great stock up price for these. So let's go over the first transaction that I'm going to be doing. This one is using a spend booster for spend 40, get $8 in Walgreens cash. So what we need is $40 of product value after any store digital coupons or store discounts. So a store discount is going to count as a store register reward or Walgreens cash, as well as the store digital coupons, like the $1.25 off of Scott products, right? That is a store coupon because it says with my Walgreens. We don't have any store coupons for this transaction, so we don't have to worry about that part. So total for all these products is $50.96, but I only have to be at $40 in product value. So I can use $10 in Walgreens cash. Now my new total is $40.96. We're still over 40, so we're good to go. We will earn back the $8 in Walgreens cash. I do have a cheat sheet for you guys that I put together that you can download. I have it linked in the description box for you. It's going to go over when you can pay with Walgreens cash, how to pay with Walgreens cash, and how you can incorporate it with the spend boosters. That way you can download it, print it out, and it'll help you when you're putting together your own deals. So for coupons, we have $20.50 worth. You'll pay $20.46 out of pocket. Now you can pay with manufacturer register rewards, which I went ahead and did to further lower my out-of-pocket cost. Then you're gonna earn back $5 register reward for the laundry deal, a $3 register reward for the Dove deal, a $3 register reward for the Crest and Oral-B, and a $4 register reward for the Colgate, plus a $5 register reward for spending, plus $8 in Walgreens cash for spending 40 for that digital booster. This is also going to track towards my monthly spend booster. So next week will be the last transaction that I need to do to earn another $20 in Walgreens cash. So your total for this transaction, your final cost after all your rewards back, is $7.46 for 10 products, which makes each product 74 cents. I don't know about you guys, but you're not going to find any of these products at Walmart for 74 cents. Now let's go over another scenario using a digital booster for spend 35, get 8 with a couple different products. Mix and match. Make sure you're grabbing deals on products that you're actually going to use. Here is another transaction that I did. This one is using the spend booster for spend 35, get $8 in Walgreens cash. I do have a third scenario as well in the printable breakdown below in the description box, so definitely check that out. So total for this one is $36. Then for coupons, we have $10 worth. I also used the manufacturer register rewards I got from my first transaction to lower my out-of-pocket cost. We have $10 in coupons, so you'll pay $26 before you use any register rewards. Then we're gonna earn back $4 register reward for the Pampers, $5 register reward for spending 20 on PG products, plus $4 register reward for the Oral-B, $4 for the Colgate, $3 for the Oral-B, and $8 in Walgreens cash. Your final cost for all 6 of these products is $2, which is so incredible.
Okay, before we dive into the receipts and how everything went at checkout, let's get into the amazing online deal that you guys can score this week. What you're gonna do first is start with Rakuten. So you can do this on the app or you can do this on a website. I'm just doing it on the website because I'm on my desktop and it's just a little bit easier to show you guys. Below in the description box is the link to their new user bonus. When you spend $30 out of pocket, you're gonna get $30 cash back, and that has to be before taxes. So I'll go over the math and the breakdown for you guys in just a second. So click that link, create a completely free account. This website offers you cash back when you place online orders. So you guys know I always say this, if you're gonna be spending the money anyways, you may as well get some cash back for spending it. So once you create an account, you're just gonna search for Walgreens, which is right here. You're gonna click on it. It's gonna activate the 6% cash back on top of that. Then it's gonna take you right over to the regular Walgreens website, and then you're gonna be able to activate it. And these are all of the products you're gonna wanna add to your cart. So you don't have to do the exact deal that I'm gonna show you, of course. Mix and match, make sure you're doing products that you need. As long as you're spending $30 out of pocket before taxes, you're good to go. It does not matter what products you grab. This is just one of the best deals that I found. So you're gonna grab 2 of the Gillette and Venus razors that are buy one, get one half off, 2 of the Pampers baby wipes that are 2 for $7. We're getting a lot of paper products in this haul as well. 1 Cottonelle for $5. There is a $1 off 1 digital coupon, clip that. This is new, look at it, shows you the coupons, I'm loving that. So there's 2 $3 coupons that you wanna clip for this. $1.50 off 2 for this. This is a Walgreens store digital coupon. Then the 7 off 2 coupon for the Dove body wash. We're grabbing 2 of those. 1 of the Scott paper towels and 1 of the Scott toilet paper. Now there's a $1.25 off 1 store coupon, which is why it shows $2.50 off 2. It's just how it's showing here, but that's not where you're gonna clip. And then a $1 off 1 is a manufacturer coupon here and a $1 manufacturer coupon for here. So when you're on the product, it's gonna show you all the digital coupons that you have available. You can see them right here. So you're gonna click the plus sign, it's gonna activate it, and then you're gonna be able to get those taken off at checkout. So any coupon that you're seeing here, you wanna go ahead and click it to activate that coupon and then add the product to your cart. Then we're grabbing 1 of these Tide Power Pods for $12.99. So these are all those digital coupons that we just said. Also use code WAG10. You're gonna save another $2.57. Now the Walgreens cash over here is not accurate. It's missing $8 because I did the digital booster in store already this week. That's why it's not calculating, but you will earn back the $8 in Walgreens cash depending on what digital booster you have. So if you have spend 35, get 8 or spend 40, get 8, either one of those is gonna work on this scenario. Do not pay with any Walgreens cash for this deal. So you're paying $39.14 out of pocket. For that new user bonus, what you wanna do is take this number, subtract your taxes, make sure you're over $30. So for this scenario, you're at about $35 and change of product value before taxes. So we're good to go. We will earn back the $30 cash back. One question I get a lot is, when do I get that money? That $30 plus the 6% back will hit your Rakuten account after you pick up your products. Of course, they want to make sure that you pick it up before they give you the cash back and that you actually do the deal. Once you pick up your products, give it a day or 2 and then check your Rakuten account. The cash back should show up there. If you have any issues or anything, you can always contact the Rakuten customer service on their website. They're super nice, they're very helpful, and they'll definitely be able to help you with your cash back. Then you're gonna be earning back the $11.55. Remember, we're adding $8 for that digital booster. The $3 here is for buying the 2 Dove body wash. That promotion works online as well. So your final cost is free and an $8.70 moneymaker. Your cash cost, you're getting the $30 cash back plus the 6% back. So your cash cost is around $2 for all of these products, which is absolutely incredible. So now let's go over the in-store transactions. I'll show you my receipts and what I wound up paying. Okay, we're back home from Walgreens. Everything went great at checkout. I had 1 coupon not come off, which is my fault. I didn't clip it in time. Unfortunately, it was the $7 off 2 Dove digital coupons, so that really did impact my out-of-pocket cost. However, still super happy with everything that I went ahead and grabbed. It's products that I need, products that I use, and as you guys know, I do resell my stockpile to further help even more people who are buying from me because I sell at a big discount compared to if they were gonna go to Walmart, Walgreens, whatever, and pay full price. So I need to stock up on more products to then be able to resell it. So what I'm doing with the profits from that is I'm putting it in a high yield savings account for my son's college fund. So I'm super excited about that. So I did 2 transactions today using the 2 different digital boosters like I showed you. Those are the transactions that I actually wound up doing. So the first deal, I did the Tide, the Dove, and the Oral-B, and the Colgate. So these are all of the coupons that I used. These are for the Tide coupons. Everything came off. I rolled a bunch of register rewards that I earned from last week to lower my out-of-pocket costs, which I obviously highly recommend you doing. Then I paid with $10 in Walgreens cash, like I explained in the video why I was able to do that. Again, that's further explained in that Walgreens cheat sheet below for you. paid $12.48 out of pocket because the $7 off too did not come off. Otherwise, it should have been $5.48 out of pocket. Then I did earn back all the Walgreens cash. This receipt doesn't show it again. I don't know why it does that. It's so annoying. But I did earn back the $8 in Walgreens cash. Plus I earned back all of my register rewards, and I did get, all the register rewards printed. So I didn't have any issues with that, which we love that. Then the second transaction I did the Pampers, because as you know, my baby is going through a bunch of Pampers. He is 10 weeks old and he's still in size 1. So we're stocking up as much as we can. Anything that we don't use, obviously, I'll be giving to friends and family who have babies on the way. So I got these, I got the Oral-B and the Colgate. Then I rolled my register rewards that I just earned in my first transaction. I rolled it immediately in my second transaction. Here's all the digital coupons that came off. I didn't have any issues with this one. The Colgate, the Oral-B, and the Pampers all came off. Paid $11 out of pocket. I did not use any Walgreens cash because I was not able to. Otherwise, I would not have earned back the Walgreens cash for the booster. This receipt does show the Walgreens cash that I got back. I got back $8.36. I don't understand why some receipts print and show it and some receipts don't. Like Walgreens. Can we just get it together for like 5 minutes, please? That would be great. So all in all, I'm so excited for everything that I went ahead and grabbed. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go to Walgreens, do one deal at a time. Give it a shot. I promise you, you're gonna be hooked on how much money you can save on the products that you actually use. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.